Taya and Benedicta's project. So we came up with a problem and we basically named a bank and we gave it a name, which is Taya Corporations. So we're trying to determine the financial implications of loans disbursed by determining their monthly payment, the amount to be paid back, and the interest rate using a loan calculator. So we came up with a solution basically because we wrote a C++ program that allows the bank to kind of easily determine the monthly payment, the amount to be paid back, and the interest rate for customers requesting for a loan. So let's go to the program. The environment ID that we used was Xcode. We didn't use Visual Studio, just wanted to kind of put that out there. So this is our program for the loan calculator, and the first thing we did, we kind of included the IO stream because it's a C in and C out. We wanted it to be user friendly and we wanted it to be interactive because it's a loan calculator and obviously we wouldn't know the amount that the user would want. So in order for that, we used the function. We included the IO stream. And the C math is basically because it involves calculations and we use the IO manipulator and yeah. So over here we assigned a double because double basically has more precision than a float does. And yeah, so we assigned different integers like the yearly interest, the monthly interest rate, the loan amount, the payment due per month, and the amount to be paid. First, we want to enter the loan amount. Then we want the computer to read it. So we kind of use the C. Then in order for that, we need to know the year-round interest rate. And it needs to be a percent because if it's not, the computer is not going to read it. The loan amount, we set it to a precision of 3. Um, yeah, because we wanted it to be 3 points after the decimal to make it more accurate and just to be more precise. So going up to that, you can kind of see what we did. The monthly interest for the formula, we used the yearly interest divided by 12 because obviously in a year there are 12 months. So just to put that out there because at the end of the day, it's going to ask for that and we needed to divide it by 12. So the payment would be the monthly interest and you have to multiply that by the amount of period and you add 1 to the monthly interest. So basically we try to do that because we can't write it in a full statement for the computer to understand. So we broke it down. And this power is just like an indication to principal in the normal simple interest formula. That's what we broke it down and we wanted the computer to be able to understand. Okay, so you see in the monthly payment, sorry, yeah, you see out the monthly payment. Sorry, that was a mistake on my part. Then the amount to be paid has to be the payment times the period that you want it for, or yeah, basically. So you see in the amount to be paid, and basically we wanted to use an on a loan calculator because it's very crucial to kind of have be stable in your budget because the calculators basically help you with the worries of your monthly payments if you can't do that, retirement, and other stressful responsibilities. So there's no shame in looking into a loan calculator because it does save a lot of your money, it saves a lot of time, and it helps you make sure that nobody's cheating you out. So it gives you kind of like what you're going into, what you're gonna get out of it. So we just created it so it could be interactive and you'd be more comfortable and you can plan wisely. That's basically it. So we hope you enjoy it. So we're gonna build the program and it says you enter the loan amount. So we're gonna go with 10,000. then you're gonna enter that. Okay, so remember, I said it has to be a decimal because if it's not, the computer's not gonna read. So we're gonna put 5%, so just maybe 0.5. Then you enter the period of payment. That's like how long you want it for. So we're gonna say 6 months. Okay, and as you can see, it kind of gives you, after everything, gives you your yearly interest, the monthly payment. So basically, with all that, you'd be paying 1,917. Yeah. Then the amount to be paid back would be 11,507. So it helps you kind of know what you're doing, how to spend your money wisely. We hope you enjoyed our program, and thank you for watching.